how much the queue is. Hi, Kanak. Let's go unbox it and see what all things are there inside. What do you think?
Okay, we have got our iPhone. We got iPhone 10s, one for mommy and one for daddy. It's iPhone 10s Max. It's a bigger phone than last week. Have it. So which one we want to open first?
Maybe this one.
Okay, this is a silver color phone.
Silver?
And it's for daddy. Flap over there. We can open from this. We don't need the scissors.
Okay. We do need scissors. Ooh. Wow.
It's a big phone.
That's a little bit what we needed.
Yeah, I think it's bigger than what we had in last phone.
So this phone look like it's the size of an previous iPhone 7 Plus or 8 Plus. In the box we have the earphone.
We hear everything.
So there is a charging cable and the power plug. And this is the new iPhone 10s Max.
It's all shiny. I can see my face in it.
So let's switch it on.
Oh, it's not charged.
It comes with some charge.
Oh, it says hola.
Okay, let's set it up. Okay, now let's open the other one. So let's keep this aside. this one is a gold color.
I know that gold color is for me.
Oh wow, it looks good.
Gold, gold.
Which color phone do you like better, Kanak? You like the gold one better?
Let's keep both of them together. Okay guys, so I will show you how this phone compared to iPhone 6 Plus, which we have earlier. So this is the new iPhone XS Max, and this is an older phone, iPhone 6 Plus, which we have. It's same size, but the screen is width and height is more in XS Max. You can see it.